So we started today's video with this amazing haircut transformation. Bam! Chic bob hairstyle. She also got some color with this as well. She looks absolutely incredible. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some cute fall 2023 short hairstyle ideas. So here we have a really cute shaggy pixie style. This will be a very popular hair trend for the fall. Followed by this pixie hair transformation. She does have that asymmetrical shape for this hair change. Ooh, I love this look. So pretty. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we do have another hair transformation. Another gorgeous pixie. Love the texture with this one. Also features an asymmetrical shape as well. And then we have a shaggy pixie bob style. Very nice. Followed by someone who has very long hair. So it looks like the stylist is putting in some layers for this one. Gorgeous. Nice, simple, and chic, subtle hair change. Very nice. And then we have someone going from long to short. Oh, she ended up getting a beautiful pixie haircut. Very nice shape and texture. And then we see the very popular look of a shaggy cut. I love the layers within this cut. It frames her face, the bangs, just beautifully. And then we see a curly hair transformation. Oh, I love the texture that the stylist is creating within this cut. Very nice curly mullet style, and we're going to continue to see mullets well into the fall and winter season. So chic and modern. So the stylist cuts her grown out blonde ombre color into shoulder length style. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.